Welcome to the Golden Space. I'm Siobhan Coulter, and I'll be your guide in this breathing meditation. So find a quiet place to sit and be still. If you're sitting on a chair, place both feet flat on the floor. Rest your hands on your thighs with your palms facing up to the ceiling. Sit with a beautiful straight spine, allowing it to lengthen. And feel taller and empowered as you choose to sit straight. Place your tongue on the roof of your mouth just behind your teeth and close your eyes. Take a beautiful, slow, deep breath. Hold it and exhale. Let's take another 3 slow, deep breaths together. Breathing in, hold it, and exhale. Breathe in through the nose, hold it, and exhale and relax your body. Breathe in, hold it, exhale and relax. Keep breathing slowly and deeply at your own pace. Your breath is key to slowing down your body and your mind when you're feeling stressed and overwhelmed. As you breathe, breathe in and out through your nose. And with each exhale, soften the muscles of your body and relax. There is nowhere else that you need to be right now, but here with yourself and your breath for the next few minutes. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, relax your body even more as you exhale. Relax the muscles of your neck, and your spine. Slowly work your way down your spine, relaxing the muscles either side, softening them, allowing the tension to flow out of your body. Relax the muscles around your waist and your lower back. With your next exhale, relax your hips. Let your body be soft. Relaxed. Still and calm. Focus your awareness completely on your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Whenever you realize that you are thinking, bring your awareness back completely to your breath. To the slow, deep inhale and the relaxing slow exhale. With your next inhale, consciously think that you are breathing in the breath of life. Feel it filling your lungs. And exhale, peace and calm. Inhale a breath of life. And know that it's going to replenish your body. And exhale, relaxation and calm. Keep inhaling the breath of life, knowing that it's feeding every cell of your body. And keep exhaling relaxation and calm. And if you're feeling any tension left in your body, consciously relax those muscles. know that you are exactly where you are meant to be, still, calm, and present in your breath. Know that if you ever begin to feel overwhelmed, stressed, or anxious, your breath is always with you, and it's only one breath away.